Sulit nga ba mag-purchase ng foreclosed property through bank financing for first-time home buyers? If yan nga ang target mo, whether for investment or for your first home, continue watching this video. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, together with Marian Sabido, and let's discuss kung bakit smart move mag-purchase ng foreclosed property through bank financing. Siyempre, unang-una dyan, budget-wise, kasi 40 to 50% below the market value kadalasan ang presyo ng mga foreclosed property. So, malaki talagang madi-discount mo and you can allocate that for the renovation ng unit. Second reason, kaya mong lipatan in less than 3 months. Bakit? Dahil nakatayo na ang property at documentation mo na lang ang hihintayin para malipatan mo to agad. Third reason kung bakit okay bumili ng foreclosed property through bank is may approved caretaker kasi tayo ng bangko. So wala kang issue sa documentation and also pagpapaalis ng mga informal or illegal settlers. Fourth reason, dahil nga through bank financing ito, maayos ang documentation natin at lahat nakapangalan sa'yo, so wala kang ikaka-worry. Fifth reason, hassle-free ang processing natin. At may mga bangko na walang reservation, just comply the requirements pag na-award sa'yo, pay the down payment, and voila, within 7 days, may bahay ka na. Sixth reason is the location. Dahil nga foreclosed property to, kadalasan located sa mga prime locations or community, kaya naman hindi ka mahihirapan sa transportation and others. Seventh reason, flexible and also low down payment depende sa bangko. Eighth reason, open to all types of buyer ito. Mapa-locally employed ka, working abroad, o di kaya naman self-employed na naghahanap ng parentahan. At kung virtual assistant ka naman and you can provide the requirements, walang problema ka rin sa foreclosed property. Ninth reason, wala kang ika-cash out hanggat hindi ka na-approve sa unit na napili mo. Siyempre, kung ikaw ay isang aspiring home buyer, madiskarte at gustong makamura para sa first property investment mo, this is really a good option. At marami tayong units na pwede mong pagpilian, not just house and lot, but also condominium here in Cavite, Las Piñas, Parañaque, and across Metro Manila. Kaya naman, hindi ka maubusan ng option at ikaw na lang pipili kung anong unit ang best deal para sa'yo. Ay, may mga unit tayo na never pang natirahan ng first owner, at caretaker pala ang nakapag-stay para bantayan ng unit. Kaya naman, kahit as is where is yan, panalo ka pa rin. Pag yun nga ang nakuha mo, good as brand new ang mabibili mo sa murang halaga. O, so paano? Kino-consider mo na rin ba ang foreclosed property ngayon? Tara, tripping na tayo or link in our bio para maikutan natin yung mga project na papasok sa budget at preferences mo. Call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!